Hey everyone, I'm Jake, CEO and founder of CodeWorks, and today we're excited to talk about a fantastic opportunity for anyone interested in learning software development. At CodeWorks, we teach students the skills they need to transition their careers into the tech field, and we're eager to offer a free Intro to Programming course that will give you the foundational skills that you need to start your journey as a software developer. If you're interested in learning web application development, our free course covers the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll start with the fundamentals and guide you step by step with easy to follow exercises that will help you to build your first web application in no time. Our course is designed for absolute beginners with no prior programming experience required. Our goal is to help get you to a level where you can confidently decide if you want to continue your learning, and if so, what direction you want to take your development career. Why should you take our free Intro to Programming course? Well, for starters, it's completely free. You won't find a better deal than that. But beyond the cost, you'll benefit greatly from a structured, expertly designed curriculum that's helped so many of our previous students gain a solid foundation of application development.
The best decision I ever made was deciding to come to CodeWorks.
My experience at CodeWorks has been amazing.
CodeWorks is awesome because it started challenging me again when I was starting to feel really stagnant in my own life.
CodeWorks gave me the skills I needed to land my dream job and move forward.
CodeWorks is great because they are providing me with the tools I need for the future.
Coming to CodeWorks Academy was the best decision I ever made.
CodeWorks is awesome.
CodeWorks has given me the opportunity of a lifetime.
CodeWorks has absolutely changed my life for the better.
At CodeWorks, we pride ourselves on providing a supportive, collaborative learning environment. You'll have access to experienced instructors who are passionate about teaching and helping students succeed. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded learners who will be supportive and encouraging to you along the way. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to start your journey as a software developer, sign up for our free Intro to Programming course today. You'll gain a valuable skill set that can open up a world of opportunities, and you'll be one step closer to a rewarding, fulfilling career in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the course.